welcome back to another vlog. So today we're in my cutting table. I'm cutting out some iron-on vinyls to heat press onto some maternity sashes. So yeah, come along. Gonna go on to the next color, which is this gold, and I think I'm gonna cut a whole sheet to just have extras. So yeah, I'm adding some new designs along with working on orders today. So yeah, let me set up everything. Okay, so all of the vinyl is cut out, letting the heat press machine heat up. But yeah, these are the two new ribbons that got delivered a couple days ago. So this one safari print, and then this polka dot strawberry. For this one, I couldn't decide if I wanted the glitter or just the solid, so I printed out both. I could do both samples and then I'll see. But yeah, okay, let me start taping that onto the ribbon and pressing it. This looks so cute. Freaking obsessed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the one with the glitter. I think I like that better than the solid, so that way I don't waste ribbon. So I'm gonna keep that only. And then this is how the safari one looks with the gold glitter. So yeah, all I have to do now is create the pin on the side, and then I can take pictures tomorrow. So yeah, let's continue working. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the ribbon pin, and I think it came out so cute, so adorable. So yeah, now I just need to design the safari one, and then tomorrow we can take pictures. Yay! And last thing I'm gonna do today is pack these two that I finished, and then tomorrow we'll pick up again, like I said, finish the safari, finish another order that I have, and then we can take pictures and then upload the items onto the shop. So yay! Good morning. I don't know, this weather has been weird, you guys, because it gets hot, gets cold, and I'm just here like anyways. Okay, I'm hoping, because it is a bit windy, but I'm hoping it comes down in the next like 2 hours, that way I can go take pictures in the garden. But yeah, so I printed these two out because I wasn't sure if I wanted this or this one. I might turn some of these into pacifiers necklaces, so we'll see. But yeah, let's get started first with the safari pin. This is how the ribbon pin turned out. Ooh, looks pretty, love it. Okay, and I already finished this order that I'm gonna pack up with the butterfly theme. I think I'm gonna take a picture too because I want a nice picture of this. I want to update the listing, and I also have time to finish the pacifier, so let's quickly get that done so we could go take pictures. This is how the pacifiers turned out, so yay. Okay, now let's go to the garden and start taking pictures. So cute. Okay, anyways, okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna take pictures, and I should have all of the new items up on the shop by the time I post this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.